So, you want to present your photography in the most impactful way possible? Crafting a compelling photo portfolio directly within Lightroom is not just organized, it's essential for showcasing your unique vision. This isn't just about throwing some pictures together. It's about strategic curation and presentation. First, let's talk organization. Create dedicated collections for your portfolio. Don't dump everything into one giant folder. Think about the story. Do you want each portfolio to tell why you're perhaps one for landscapes, another for portraits, or even a specific project? Once your collections are set, the real magic begins. Curation. This is where you become your toughest editor. Be ruthless. Choose only your absolute best work. Look for images that are technically strong, emotionally resonant, and visually unique. Ask yourself, does this image truly represent my photographic style? Next, we focus on consistency. While individual images shine, a strong portfolio also benefits from a cohesive look. Pay attention to color grading, tone, and overall feel across your selected images. You want your portfolio to flow seamlessly, like a well-composed symphony. Now for the presentation, utilize Lightroom's built-in modules. The slideshow module is fantastic for presenting a dynamic visual story, allowing you to add music and transitions for a more traditional, print-ready portfolio. The print module offers incredible control over layouts and margins, giving your physical prints a professional edge. And finally, exporting. When you're ready to share, export your images at the appropriate resolution and quality for their intended use. Whether for web display or high-quality prints, make sure your metadata is accurate so your work can be found and appreciated. With these steps, you'll transform your images into a powerful, professional portfolio that truly reflects your artistic vision. Go forth and present your photography with pride.